Good morning, student. I am Uma Shankar Singh, science teacher. Today I teach you heat and transfer of heat. Mode of transfer of heat. So, in previous classes, discuss the topic of heat. What is heat? Sensation of our organ to any material or any substance to sensation feel cold and hot, and transfer of heat to, that is always higher degree to lower degree. If any hot material, if temperature is taken 100 degree centigrade and one material in 100 degree centigrade and another is 50 degree centigrade, then contact with both of material A and material B, that is material A, that is 100 degree centigrade, and material B is 50 degree centigrade. Then both of material contact with each other, then that is C2, that is contact with each other, means that material comes to that is that position, that is B position. So that is C2 equilibrium condition, means higher degree transfer in lower. So 100 degree centigrade heat is transfer in B, heat transfer in B material, because temperature of A is higher and B is lower, so always temperature is transfer from that is higher to lower. When both of material comes in equilibrium condition, then that is no transfer of heat, means both of material are in equal heat are present, then transfer of heat will be closed. That is C2 equilibrium condition, that is transfer of heat. So such a mode of heat transfer, that is conductor, insulator. So heat transfer always in conductor material since C2 that material in transfer of heat, transfer of electricity, that is C2 conductor of materials, good conductor of electricity, good conductor of heat, that is the heat transfer in that medium, that is good conductor of heat, good conductor of electricity, IC2, that is good conductor of heat of that material. And another term C2 in such material of present in electron, in any material present in electron, so happen passes through electricity and passes through heat. So conductor material, conduction C2, that is in his present in electron through, that is heat is transfer one medium to another medium, electricity is also transfer one medium to another medium, that is C2 transfer of heat. I give you some examples, like if a iron rod, that is taken iron rod, if heated in one position, then heat transfer of that position. If that position are in burn in gas burner, then heated of that places and touch of that places, so heat is transfer one place to another place. If you cooked in cooker in vegetable pulses or anything, then heat of lower end of these places heat, so and heat transfer of upper, then vessel is outside in means lower end to transfer the heat of upper end, means one position to transfer of another position, that is through the passes through the electron in present in that material. So electron is electron through transfer of heat one end to another end. One rod is heated, then touches the another point, that is say to present of heat. When that is Rn comes to equilibrium condition, when heat is equal position with both of end, transfer of heat in equilibrium condition, that is transfer of heat. Always transfer of heat higher to lower, not lower to higher, always higher to lower, means higher temperature transfer to in lower temperature. When then both are in contact with equilibrium condition, means both are in equal amount of heat present. Now again another term explained, that is heat formula. So transfer of heat is completed, and another formula, that is temperature formula. Say that is temperature formula. So that is C is Celsius, F is Fahrenheit, F is Fahrenheit, K is Kelvin, and R is Reaumur. So C for Celsius, F for Fahrenheit, K for Kelvin, R for Reaumur. So that is the temperature formula: Celsius, Fahrenheit, Kelvin, and Reaumur. So some books are written in these terms, that is cancel out of 0. So that is C by 10, F minus 32 by 18, and K minus 23, 273 by 10, and R by 8. So that is 0 is cancel out, and 10, 18, 10 and 8 all are in even number. So it is divided by 2. So that is C by 5, F minus 32 by 9, K minus 20, 273 by 5, and R is equal R by 4. In some formula are given in these types. So that some books are written on these types, that is C by 5, Celsius by 5, F minus 32 by 9, means two terms are taken. When you need of Kelvin, that is taken K minus 273 by 5. Reaumur are generally not used. It is used in higher classes. So only generally three terms, Celsius, Fahrenheit, and Kelvin are taken. So some numerical are solved. A standard formula are given: C by 100, F minus 32 by 180, and K minus 273 by 100, and R by 80. If given any question, if C is equal to 150 degree Celsius, then what is value of F is equal to what value? So put the formula of these: C by 55, F minus 32 by 9. So C is equal to 50 degree by 5, F minus 32 by 9. 5 10 ja 50, 10. So 10 by 1 and F minus 32 by 9. So that is multiply 9 into 10, 90, F minus 32, and 32 this side. So 90 plus 32 is equal to F. So F is equal to 122 degree Fahrenheit. So if C is equal to 50 degree, then Fahrenheit is value of 122 degree. Now if another question taken, if F is equal to 100 degree Fahrenheit, then what is C is equal to what? So C by 5, Celsius by 5 and 100 minus 32, put the value of Fahrenheit F 100 by 9. So that is C by 5, 68, 9. So C by 68 into 5 by 9. That value is comes out, that is divided by these. Divided by 9. .7 degree centigrade. Now one question, that is Fahrenheit is 100 degree centigrade, then what is the value of Kelvin? K is equal to what? So that value through find out of this, that is 100 minus formula taken F minus 32 and now use of this formula F minus 32 by 9 equal to K minus 273 by 5. So F is equal to 100 minus 32 by 9 K minus 273 by 5. So that is the value of 68 by 9 K minus 273 by 5. So that is 68 into 5 by 9 is equal to K minus 273. So that value comes out 68 into 5, 34 by 9 is equal to K by K minus 273. That value 37.7 degree and K minus 273. So 37.7 plus 273 is equal to K. So that is comes to 0.7. 310.7 degree Kelvin. That is the value of 310.7 degree Kelvin comes out. So these types of numerical, solve it. Okay, thank you.